Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new at my channel, please subscribe. Today we will learn that how to write down the essay on Cashless India. The Cashless India is move that has assumed significance in the backdrop of demonetization of high value currency by the NDA government at the center. On On November 8, 2016, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the demonetization of currency. On November 8, 2016, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the demonetization of currency note Rs 500 and 1000 and took the people by surprise. People standing in the sprinkling queues at the ATM and banks counter to exchange their old currency note or withdraw the cash. People standing in a sprawling queues at the ATM and the bank counters to exchange their old currency note. However, the new cashless resolution ignited by this move has gradually started changing the mindset of people who were earlier mostly dependent on the currency notes only for doing the transaction. However, the new cashless resolution ignited by this move has gradually started changing the mindset of people who were earlier mostly dependent of currency note only for doing the transition. Thank you.